What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for JD.com with the ticker symbol JD. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So JD looking pretty good. Looks like it's following the same footsteps as many other Chinese stocks, especially BABA. You can see that prices are reversing because it made two large legs down. This is one impulse down, second impulse. So this is a measured move. Finding support at the low 30s, and this is all after a downtrend looks to be getting weaker. So there was this large impulse down, prices broke that impulse, which shows signs of weakness. A few more attempts from the sellers to continue, and it looks like it's failing. So we're making a new high because this was the previous high, and now this is a new high, so this is looking pretty good. And if prices make another impulse up, well, actually, if you can reach the measurable target, because it's already in the formation of this little impulse right here, then that tells me the 42.74 level can be reached. So let me go and zoom in. So you can see there was this impulse right here. Prices kind of went sideways a little bit. This was the second impulse, and it's targeting the 42.44. After we see after this target is met, or we see a pullback right now, these two legs up will probably just be one leg, because the market gets. The price action gets larger and the patterns get larger as time goes on, and then these two small legs will be one large leg for potential another large leg up. So again, that we're getting ahead of ourselves here, but right now I'd be focusing on looking for the low 40s because it looks obtainable, and possibly even this supply zone right here, or this zone right here. So you see this is where the selling started for this entire down move. This entire down move started right back over here. So a lot of times price likes to come to the start of these impulses, and that would be a potential target. So that's also the low 40s. So we'll see if we can get that, but as right now, this is looking pretty good. So that's all I see on the daily chart. Let's take a look at the weekly chart. So here's the weekly chart, and JD looks to be still inside of its downtrend. We'll see if it can break out in the future. As of right now, it's still inside of it. It made a double bottom, which is pretty impressive. And we're seeing 3 consecutive weeks of aggressive buying pressure off of this 31 level, 31.57 level, or the low 32 level. So this is looking pretty good. We're approaching the EMA. We'll see if it can act as resistance. Most likely, it probably won't. We might just get a small rejection from it. It looks like it wants to rocket out higher. And it's probably filling this huge gap over here on the chart. So there's some empty space right here where there was no trading. So a lot of these gaps like to be filled. It could take weeks or months, but a lot of times if prices are trending in that direction, this will be a target for the price. So looking for a gap fill potentially, and maybe the opposite side of the channel. So this looks pretty good. So that's all I have for JD this week, Friday, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.